How to create group email in Gmail. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. Launch your Gmail. Tap on the menu bar. In this Google Apps section, go to Contacts. Then tap and hold the contact. Tap on this icon. Tap on New Label. Create a new label. Go to Add Contact. And now go back, go to Compose and write down the label name. Or you can directly go to Contacts again. Then go to the label group, then tap on three dot, go to send email, select Gmail, and now you can send a group Gmail over here. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any question, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.